Today I am recording for the Pre-Algebra Chapter 5 study guide. If you want, you can look through my Chapter 5 study guide videos for extra material and bonus questions. So we're going to move on to question number 1. Question number 1 on your study guide was to write a ratio that forms a proportion with 10/25. So that would be any proportion that would have a similar ratio. So to find a similar ratio, you could just multiply by 2, multiply by 3, 4, 5, whatever number you wanted, and that would form a proportional relationship between the two. So here I multiplied by 2 and found that it forms a proportion 20/50ths with 10/25ths. Okay, let's move on. Number 2, are these proportional? Well, are they proportional? Well, they are not because of their cross products. 9 times 9 is 81. 8 times 8 is 64, and these are not proportional. Okay, let's do number 3 now. Number 3, we have 2 different portion sizes. We did this today in class. So we have a serving size of 8 and a serving size of 24. And we have protein is 12, and we do not know the other one. This is a proportion, cross multiply, and we find that the answer is 36 grams. Make sure you have the grams. That's showing what we have for our unit of measure. Okay, for the next 2, you need to change to density. That's also in your book. And number 5, unit rate, you're just dividing $1.20 divided by 5. Number 6, we did that in class, doing the boxes per hour. Number 7 is a proportion, solving for x. Number 8, you're solving for x. And then on number 9, you have 3/12 and 1/4. And you need to tell whether they're a proportion. Obviously, if you cross multiply, 12 equals 12. So that is, yes, a proportion. And make sure that you write, yes, it's a proportion. Proportion is a mathematical term. We're making sure we're using our mathematical phrases. Number 10, you need to tell me how it's similar and why it's similar to find the value of x. So you're going to make your proportion and cross multiply to solve for x. Okay, bonus question 1. If you have this bonus question down, you get 5 extra points. Write this bonus question down. I have 2 triangles, and one of them is 9, one of them is 18, the other one is 3, and we need to find x. So we're going to solve a proportion. I want you to write your proportion, cross multiply, and solve. If you have this answer down, then you will get your bonus point. Make sure you solve for x. If there is no solution for x, you will not get your bonus points. Okay, check out my other video for part 2 on study guide for Chapter 5 test. Thank you.